future homeowners, welcome back again to our YouTube channel here at Your Top Realtor. So for today's vlog, we will going to witness the groundbreaking ceremony of Emerald Suites ngayong October 28, 2025. And together with me, our very esteemed architect Nestor Mangyo. Ayan, so he will be sharing what in store about Emerald Suites. So sir, what can you say with our pioneer project na Condominium ngayon, which is very prime in location na strategic dito sa Angeles?
Well, we thought of this project and we were inspired by the fast development of Angeles City, particularly in this area, the Friendship Corridor. It is now bustling with vibrant with commercial spaces, restaurants, and of course, the proximity to the workplace of Clark Field, the leisure and gaming destinations there, and the Clark International Airport, and soon the North Rail. So as far as accessibility and location, this is a very good location because is also located on a fast developing Poinsett Avenue, which will soon be a six-lane avenue. And it has already huge coffee shops, hospital, school, the Pampanga market, and lots of restaurants also. And this leads to MacArthur Highway and the North Luzon Expressway. This area leads to SFX. So location-wise, it is very strategic.
Yes, very prime, no?